Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am explaining you exercise 5C from your book. Question number 1 is when loaded with bricks, a lorry has a mass of 11600 kg. We have a lorry with bricks having mass 11600 kg. If the mass of the bricks is 3 times that of the empty lorry, find the mass of the bricks. Okay. Now I have supposed this is x, mass of bricks is equals to x, and mass of lorry is equals to y. And then look at the first condition. When loaded bricks with a lorry means they both are together. तो इन दोनों का जो सम होगा वो किसके बराबर होगा 11600 के। तो मैंने वही लिख दिया कि मास ऑफ ब्रिक प्लस मास ऑफ लॉरी क्या है 11600 और मास ऑफ ब्रिक्स को x का नाम दिया था तो x लिख दिया है। इसी तरह मास ऑफ लॉरी इज y, so I have written here. This is the first condition. And then read the second point. If the mass of the bricks is 3 times that of the empty lorry. So here mass of bricks is 3 times the lorry. So x is equals to 3y because x is mass of bricks and y is mass of lorry. This is the second condition. And then what I have done, I took the first equation from here, x plus y is equal to 11600, and I have shifted this x to the right hand side of the equals to. और आपको पता है जब हम किसी प्लस की साइन को किसी प्लस वाली टर्म को हम राइट पे लेके जाते हैं इक्वल टू भी या लेफ्ट पे लेके जाते हैं उसकी पोजीशन को चेंज कर दें तो उसकी साइन चेंज हो जाती है तो फिर प्लस एक्स से माइनस एक्स हो जाएगा. Now I have the value of y in form of x. Put the equation 3 in equation 2. I will put this value in equation number 2. So I have written here x is equals to 3 and at the place of y I have written 11600 minus x. So what happened here, the equation 2 comes in the form of only x. Now we can solve this equation क्योंकि इसके अंदर एक वेरिएबल हो गया सिर्फ x. So one equation will be formed by one variable. So what I have done here, I will multiply 3 by 11600 and we will be getting 34800 and the next term is minus x. We will write 3 multiplied by x which is equals to 3x. In the next step what I have done, I have shifted the minus 3x to the left hand side of the equals to and we are getting plus 3x. Okay. And you already know that x or 1x they both are same. Here this is written x which means it has a coefficient of 1. So in the next step 1x plus 3x is 4x. Okay. Now the next step 4 is multiplying with x. In the next step we will shift 4 to the right hand side of the equals to और हमें क्या मिल जाएगा 4 जो है वो डिवीजन में मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे. Now we will divide 34800 by 4. We will get 8700 kg. Okay, this is the value of x. So we have now the mass of the bricks क्योंकि mass of the bricks x था और वो हमने निकाल दिया है. This is the question number 2 from your book. The sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 56. Find the greatest of the 4 numbers. So I have supposed in the solution y is our odd number. Okay, and you know that if we suppose 3 is an odd number, you already know odd numbers are those numbers which cannot be divided by 2. So I have supposed y is odd number. What you will do to get the next odd number? You will add plus 2 because 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is an odd number. Then 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 is another odd number. So for getting the next odd number, we have to add plus 2. Just like that, I have written these 4 numbers. Y is my first odd number, then I have added 2, then I have added 2, and then also added 2. So इससे क्या होगा हमारे पास next odd number हम suppose करके बना सकते हैं और हमने बना लिए यहाँ पे 4 odd numbers. And the question says the sum of these consecutive odd numbers is 56. So I have written here equals to 56. Now in the next step, in the second step, what we have done, we have added these like terms. Just say y, these are like terms. So there are 4 y's, y plus y plus y plus y. This is 4y. And 2 plus 4 plus 6 is 12. What happened in the next step? I have shifted the plus 12 to the right hand side of the equals to, and this is in minus sign now. 56 minus 12 is 44. And if you see the left hand side of the equals to, this is 4 is multiplying with y, and in the next step this 4 will be in division, और ये यहाँ पे division में आपको नजर आ रहा है. So 44 divided by 4 is equals to 11. So this is not the answer. This is actually the value of y, which is 11. And the question is asking for the greatest of the 4 numbers. जो हमारे पास odd numbers हैं उनसे greatest number कौन सा है? So आपको पता ही है क्या नजर आ रहा है कि y plus 6 हमारा जो greatest number है. So what we will do, we will put the value of y which we have found out. ये हमने यहाँ put करी 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. So 17 is our greatest odd number. Now the question number 4. The sum of two numbers, comma, one of which is 2/3 of the other, is 45. Find the smaller number. So there are two statements. First is the sum of two numbers is 45 because here it is comma. So I have written here x plus y is equals to 45, and x and y are two numbers which we have supposed, and one of which is 2/3 of the other. And the second condition is x is 2/3 of the y, one of which is 2/3 of the other, and one is x and second one is y. So in the next step, put the value of x from second condition to first. So what we have written here, we have put the value of x, which is in condition second, 2/3y. So at the place of x, I put the value of x, which is 2/3y. ये आपको नजर आ रही है यहाँ पे x की जगह मैंने 2/3y लिखा. And this y comes as it is, and also 45. What in the next step? The positive sign, the addition sign means we have to take the LCM. So I have taken the LCM here, 3, and 3 multiplied by y is 3y, 2y plus 3y, they both are like terms, we will add them. 2y plus 3y is 5y. And if you see the left hand side of the equals to, in the division you have 3. When we will shift this to the right hand side, it will be in multiplication. तो वैसे आपको नजर आ गया, multiply हो गया. 45 multiplied by 3 is 135. And this 5, which is in multiplication, it will be divided. 135/5 is 27. The y is 27. Now we have to find the second number, which is x. ताकि हमें पता चल जाए, actually we need to find out the smaller number. So in the first condition, x plus y is equal to 45, we have to put the value of y. So I have written put y is equal to 27 is first condition. Now at the place of y, मुझे क्या लिखना है? 27, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया. X plus 27, and when we will shift this 27 to the right hand side, it will be in subtraction, minus हो जाएगा. 45 minus 27 is 18. Now the first number is x, which is 18. The second is y, 27. आपको नजर आ रहा है 18 छोटा है. So this is our smaller number, and hence it is the answer. I think it is clear to you now. Thank you.